everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today's video is gonna be a quick wig review. So if you want to know exactly, or if you want to see exactly what wig I got, please continue to watch. Okay, I am back, and this is the name of the wig that I got, and it is called Hydrating. This is a lace wig, 100% human hair quality. Okay, I'm gonna put all the specs and everything right here that you all should be able to see it. Okay, and I purchased this wig with my own money from a hair supply store here in my hometown. The wig was just $29.99. Okay. Okay. And the name of this wig is Mega C-Part 309 Crimp. And the color is OM 2730. So all that information should be up here somewhere. This is the wig. Take all this off. Okay, and this is the stock card. And this is the wig. I had a hard time trying to get it out of there. And this is what it looks like. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the color and everything about it. Y'all know I like a color wig. I don't like a black wig. I like a color wig. Okay, this is the wig. Okay, like I said, the color is OM 2730. Okay, and I mean, it says it's a lace wig, but it's not. It's not like a lace front where you cut the lace off. As you can see, there is no lace whatsoever in the front. You got two clips in the front. You got one clip in the back. And then you also got like adjustable straps on each side. Okay. Like I said, this is going to be a quickie. Okay, because I didn't have to cut lace or do none of that kind of stuff. So, okay. Let's put it on. Okay, and if y'all want to know about my cap, this is from Chaud, and I leave all the information in the description section of this video, okay? Let's see. Okay. Now you see it got cramps. And you see it already got a part. But what I do is to make it more like my skin, I will spray it, but I'm not going to spray it right now. Okay. And it's up to you to decide how you want this wig to be. You can have it straight and have it coming apart straight down, or you can put it on the side. It's up to you to decide to do it the way you want to. And that's basically it. I mean, it's just a full wig. All you do is just put it on. Because like I said, there is no lace whatsoever to cut off. And you ain't got to try to glue it down and nothing like that, because it got those combs. You can use those combs or whatever. I mean, hey, that's it. Okay. What I think about this wig. Like I already told you, it is from Hydrating. I think that's how you pronounce it. Like I said, all the information is going to be up here, as well as going to be in the description section of this video. And it says a lace wig, but I think it's just a wig, not a lace wig, because I didn't have any lace or anything to cut off. It's Remy quality. Style again is Mega C part. So this is a C part. And it's 309 crimp. So they call these crimps. And the color is OM 2730. You can go to Hydrating website, or else you can check it out in your area hair supply store. They might have it there also. But I'm going to leave all the information, like I said, in the description section of this video. Okay, this hair. Now, to me, this is like, I guess you can say a 14-inch, 12, 14-inch. It's not that long, really, on me anyway. So I think it may be a 12, 14-inch, something like that. That's what it is. So I think you should get this, pick up this wig. Yes, because it's a $30 wig, something you can put on and take off if you got somewhere to go very quick. With time, I definitely think this wig may tangle up some. And also, as you can see just by me messing with it, you can see some of the curls is straighter than the other, and you're getting a lot of straight hair. So that's just something for you all to think about. Like I said, this is just a nice wig to put on, to go where you need to go and do what you need to do. I mean, it's no fuss. You can spray it down or something like that, and that should help it. But definitely, this is supposed to be 100%, I think it said 100% human hair. I don't know, but I mean, it's cute. But you can try it out, and you can try to also put more crinkles in it. If these crinkles goes out, you can try it and see will it work. It's up to you. Like I said, it's just $30. So if you mess it up, hey, you didn't spend hundreds of dollars and mess it up. What else can I say about this wig? Just to let you see the length again. Okay, this is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks in the back. So as you can see, you should be able to see the length of this wig. Like I said, I think it's just about a 14-inch. Yeah, 12, 14 inches. I think that's what it is. It may be a little longer, but hey. I must say, I really do like this wig. Pros and cons. The pros would be, is a reasonable price. To me, it is reasonable. It's just $29.99. And another pro is you're going to just throw it on and go on by your business. You ain't got to worry about cutting no lace. You ain't got to worry about gluing it down or nothing like that. So far as combing it and all that kind of stuff, you ain't got to worry about that. You can spray it down and put your hands through it and go on out the door. So all of those are pros. Con, I guess, would be sooner or later it will shed, and sooner or later it will also tangle up, I believe. So that's up to you to decide if it's worth it to you. But for me, it is worth it, because like I said, plenty of days I be just want to throw something on and go on out the door. So this is a good wig to throw on and go on about your business. Like I said, you don't have to worry about glue or none of that, because it has the comb on it. But for me, I don't ever use the comb. I just tighten it up in the back, and I go on by my business. I never had a wig to come off my head. So, like I said, I ain't for all that. Because, like I said, to me, you putting all those combs in. To me, those combs will take your hair out, as well as the gel and all that. And like I said, I'm not for that life. So, like I said, those are my cons. Okay. Well, that's it for this video. Like I told you all, it was just going to be a quick review of this wig. And like I said, I have been wearing the wig too. So this is not like I just took it out the box and did it. I have been wearing this wig. And I love it, love it, love it. So, comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know, what do you think about this wig? Do you like this wig? Do you think this is something you would purchase? Comment and let me know. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.